my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, this shit dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no diamond. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brahbra ThumIn back at it with another banger. Yeah, I know we lit, man. I got Glock song called Ambition for Cash. We finna get right into it. Smash that subscribe button, run them likes up, run them views up. Let's get it. Glock, man. Let's see what he talking about. Let's get it.
Take heat, fuck these niggas up. Yeah. Please out. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag of big bag, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up.
Say 13 years old with a shoebox stash. Straight up. Everybody had one of them or still got one. I'm fucking with it. Let's get it.
Something never sitting on my ass. Nigga, this Glock got my skinny sagging. Nigga, I told that Glock with a passion. Nigga, I told that Glock with a passion. And I talk a whole lot of shit cause I can bag it.
They say, and I talk a whole lot of shit cause I can bag it. Straight up. Whatever you talking about, stand on that shit, bag that shit up, motherfucker can't tell you nothing. Straight like that. Let's get it.
Sucked up, bitch, my heart cold. My last name Moncler. My pockets fat swole. No, I don't eat pears. Ain't trapping, ain't dead. These niggas just queer. I'm sipping color purple syrup. Ballin' hard just like the beard. Yeah, and Larry Bird, I'm shooting shit, I know you heard. 10 toes never in no herd. Nigga, I call shots, you heard. Money talking, what's the word? What's up? Hey, I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to spit a verse. Can't trust no hoe that's down.
I pray but don't go to church. Don't ask me to spit a verse. He's snapping on this motherfucker, man. Catch them boys or you gonna miss them. If you been watching this for, hit that like button. Let's get it.
Word, yeah, I know the devil work. And I know that nobody's perfect. Still can't trust a bitch for certain. For real though. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag of big bag, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition.
What he say, nigga, I got a real ass addiction for this cash. I felt it, I sure got an addiction for the money. Straight up, gotta have it. That's essential on everything. Let's get it.
For this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass.
There y'all go, man. Glock, man. I'm fucking with it. Y'all know he gonna bring that heat every time. Straight pressure. Smash that subscribe button. Run them likes up. Run them views up. Let's get it.
And my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, this shit dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no diamond. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.